So not every piece of equipment is vital, right? Not every piece of equipment is absolutely critical, and you've got to separate the fact from the fiction. It's been said that the facts don't care about your feelings, and some people just say, some operators are just screaming. They're just yelling the loudest, and then they're the ones that get the time, effort, and the attention. So how do you separate the fact from the fiction to figure out the critical few pieces of equipment to focus on to improve availability?
And Kirby, you're right. It's usually a critical few. It's not the trivial many. If you go after the trivial many, go back to the Pareto principle. That's the guiding principle on this, is which pieces of equipment. And here's where, if you're just going to base it on screams and hollers on the line, you're going to be in a chaotic mess. This is where you have to do something we would call a criticality assessment. And that would be taking a look at your value stream, your flow, or whatever key operations you have linked together that you're concerned about. And look at the equipment. And here you're going to have to dig. Going back in your maintenance records, how many work orders did I have on a particular machine? How many times did this machine go down, and what were the reasons it's going down? Is it minor fixes? Are they major fixes? Are we talking about, having to go in and total do a major redo of the crankshafts inside the pieces of equipment? Or are we talking minor tweaks?